The moment that steel door slams behind you, your old life is over. And here, your name doesn't matter. Your case doesn't matter. Your innocence doesn't matter. All that matters is who you run with. Because in prison, being alone is a death sentence. Refuse to join a gang and you become prey. Join one and you become property. Every meal, every shower, every hour of sleep comes with a silent question. Who owns this block, and what will they make you do to survive? This is your life through every prison gang rank, from fresh meat to a man who gives orders with just one look. And once you're in, there's usually no way out. Day one, you come in as a nobody. You're scared, confused, and trying not to make eye contact. But prison has its own language. People study how you walk, where you sit, how long you hesitate before answering a question. Weakness is visible here, and weakness gets taxed. At first, you're what gangs see as a prospect. Not a member, not family, just someone being watched. They test you in small ways. Hold this, pass that message. Stand over there during count. Maybe fight somebody to prove you won't fold under pressure. It's never officially called recruitment. It's more like pressure until saying no feels more dangerous than saying yes. Then one day, you get your first real label, the runner. You carry messages between cells, move contraband, watch for guards. You don't make decisions, you just make things happen. If something goes wrong, you take the fall. If it goes right, nobody thanks you. You're useful, disposable, replaceable. After that, if you stay loyal, you become a soldier. Now your job is enforcement, debt collection, intimidation, violence. You're no longer just surviving prison, you're helping control it. People step aside when they see you coming. But power in prison comes at a price.